A few months after the Pixel 9 series debuted, all eyes are on its highly awaited successor. As with every major Google release, the Pixel 10 series has sparked rumors, with leaks and indications about the future devices beginning to appear. The Pixel 10 lineup's code names for each device in the series have previously been revealed to us. The Pixel 10 is reportedly being internally known to as Frankel, which certainly seems like a creative moniker, but it doesn't end there. Google seems to be keeping with the multi-device concept they launched with the Pixel 9 series, so anticipate multiple distinct models under the Pixel 10 umbrella. According to Android headlines, the Pixel 10 series might comprise 4 models: the original Pixel 10, the Pixel 10 Pro, a larger Pixel 10 Pro XL, and a novel foldable device known as the Pixel 10 Pro Fold. Frankel for the basic Pixel 10, Blazer for the Pixel X Pro, Mustang for the Pixel 10 Pro XL, and Rango for the foldable are some of the code names used to refer to these devices. Is this a sign that Google is doubling down on foldable smartphones? Following the popularity of devices such as the Galaxy Z Fold, it seems that Google wants in on the action as well, delivering its own take on a foldable Pixel device. This move would be a significant step forward in Google's hardware growth, demonstrating that they are interested in not just keeping up with trends but also possibly establishing some of their own. But that's not all. Another leak has hinted to a possible new device, the Pixel 9a, which would serve as the Pixel 9 family's budget-friendly edition. Consider it a more cheap alternative that allows users to enjoy the core Pixel experience without breaking the bank. In addition to the flagship models, we may see Google delivering additional alternatives for various budgets, which is always a good thing. Google's next-generation Tensor G5 processor, which is a significant advancement, is expected to power the Pixel 10 series. If you're not acquainted with the Tensor chip, it's Google's own unique CPU, and the G5 is reported to be a total redesign. Previously, Google's Tensor chips were based on Samsung's Exynos architecture, but the G5 is expected to be Google's first wholly in-house design processor. This is significant because it indicates that Google is improving its hardware integration, and the G5 is projected to bring significant performance and power efficiency benefits. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.